Alright, so I ended up in Santa Fe Depot. I'd taken the trolley to Old Town and I started talking to some girls from Europe. The only thing is I couldn't really buy a ticket in time, so I couldn't leave LA earlier than expected. It's okay though. I'm still around downtown. This is the Santa Fe trolley station, and I need to wait an hour and a half before the train comes. A little bit sad that I didn't get the numbers of those girls that are visiting, but you win some, you lose some. So yeah, gonna see what I can do in downtown. It's all good.